Hi guys, and welcome back to Project 40. Today we are doing some plastic surgery on my Puntos. So the plan is we're going to take all the cool parts off of the parts Puntos, so the Abarth body kit, the headlights, the side skirts, and some other bits as well. We're going to put them all on Project 40, and then we're going to take all these parts from Project 40 and put them on parts Punto. And if we get time, we'll swap the wheels as well, but I need to get the tyres changed. We'll see. Let's get cracking. Alright, first official part has been swapped from Parts Punto to Project 40. We have a shiny new bumper. Bumper? Bonnet. We have a shiny new thing. This is the thing. This is the thing that we have. This is the current state of Parts Punto. The Abarth body kit has been stuck on, so we've got to remove that with a bit of heat gun and then essentially re-stick it on with some Silverflex. Matt is currently removing the front bumper from Parts Punto. Stuart is questioning his existence and why he wants to help because he's stuck with some rusty screws. So Stuart is trying to help the bolts leave this mortal coil.
So we've got a bit of a three-finger hole just behind the sill now that we've removed. It's been caused by improper jacking.
Oh yeah, that looks fine. I don't know what you mean. That is factory, that is. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad.
Now it's fine.
And like with every brush, you're saving me weight. The gram's just falling off this car. It's going to be a Fiat Punto Challenge Stradale. Progress update. So old headlights are on now on Parts Punto. We still need to put on the bonnet. We've got the bonnet and the headlights and the bulbs and stuff changed, all that, so that's all good. Everything's working fine. So these happy campers at the moment are working on taking off the rear bumpers, simultaneous bumper removal, which I like. And we have just a litany of different shades of yellow car parts all over. Yeah, I think this would be a tad optimistic on that. I mean, there's no rust on this side.
Yeah, and this is I've crusted this up, so it does the rust treatment on there.
Yeah.
But it's not bad. I mean, you know, you just need to let that
Do its thing.
do its thing, and then we'll repaint.
Yeah.
But actually, it's not. I mean, the rust that was loose has fallen out.
It's quite a lot of rust. Yeah, saving grams. Oh, give us some extra protection. Nice. Yeah, I don't know why mine was missing arch lines, but it also explains why the seats were so hard to get out, because I could see daylight through one of the holes, but the seats were bolted in with. Isn't this worth all of our time, chaps? This fine vehicle?
Yeah. Exposing the rich history.
Well, the generational trauma.
Generational trauma.
So definitely need discs and pads all round. It's the standard way to get screws out of a Punto, isn't it, really? Okay, so to solve a problem that we hadn't really anticipated, because obviously we want to get where are they? The original, the Project 40 wheels with the nice tyres. need to go onto Parts Punto, but we need to use the new wheels. So we need to get those tyres onto these wheels, and it feels like it's the wolf and the sheep crossing the river to try and figure out how we're going to do this. So we fixed it by using some Corsa wheels. So these are going to go temporarily onto Parts Punto, so that
From my personal collection.
your personal collection, yes, yes, yeah, the Corsa Reserve, vintage 1996. So we then put these ones on Parts Punto, and then that frees up the Corsa speed lines that are going to get fitted to Project 40, and then I can take those along with Project 40 to our local tyre place, get the tyres swapped, and then refit these wheels and jobbed. Which is a complicated way of just saying that we figured out how to swap the tyres. The rest of the swap has been going all right. Lots of kind of rusty bolts and all that sort of stuff that we've had to drill out, but otherwise it's generally working as is. It's taking a long time. I wouldn't be able to do this without Matt and Stu, that's for sure. Mainly because they've given me all the simple jobs, like cleaning things and refitting headlights, whilst they do all the complicated stuff, which to be fair, I'm absolutely 100% fine with. No, but you know, I'd rather you injure yourselves than myself. I think, you know, it's important to keep the main star in good condition. But all joking aside, no, we've done absolutely sterling work. So strut brace, bumper, all that stuff's being refitted. You can see that's happening.
So we're on the final, we're just getting the final torques in to secure said bumper on, and then just getting the liner all buttoned up. Then we're done. Oh yeah, and then just tightening everything up. All the rest of the torques is underneath here, and then we're all good.
Yeah, so I think it's, you know, all in. Progress has been really, really, really good. And swapping these tyres, spare wheels, it's going to be nice just temporarily, just to help make it easier to swap, and then I can just change the tyres. So far, and our pile of car parts has started to shrink. We haven't sorted out the skirts yet, so that's next on the to-do list, but I need to put the rear bumper onto Parts Punto, and then we can worry about the side skirts, because I suspect we're just going to glue them on and drill 3 holes maybe, and then just use Silkaflex to just stick it on, and that should be enough, I think. Yeah, don't these look absolutely factory? Just OEM plus, baby. Oh man, these are only temporary wheels though. Yeah, they just need to be able to take the weight and allow us to move it. It's a good look. It's a good look. All right, progress update. New wheels with old tyres are on. Old wheels with new tyres still yet to be moved. We're making good progress there. This bumper is on with as many bolts as that we could actually use, because most of them were rusted and had to be drilled out, all that sort of stuff. So it's on and it's secure, but definitely needs probably some fresh bolts.
Whittling your side skirts.
Whittling.
On my little tyre stack. You know?
My driveway is just going to be so clean.
So mint.
So, oh man.
So when you get them both off, it's gonna be pretty.
Yeah. Oh, it's like a little burner's slug.
This is like fine craftsmanship
It is.
stuff, isn't it? That's
Artisanal.
artisanal.
No machine could do this.
No, exactly.
No machine would do this.
Artisanal project 14.
Yeah.
Hand carved, hand built.
It's like a Morgan, really.
It's indistinguishable, I think.
Yeah. It's just, yeah. Yeah, just need a wooden chassis, and we'll be all good.
This is
Temporary wheels on Parts Punto, looking absolutely mint.
it's looking good.
These wheels will be on there once we've got the swap tyres on them.
Can you push my pad back, please?
Look at me, I'm contributing. what a difference a day makes. 24 hours ago, we had a stone chip bonnet and a humdrum body kit on this car. And now it looks absolutely epic. A new bonnet, the Abarth body kit, some new headlights, the headlight covers, and the Corsa Speedline wheels all come together to make this look absolutely fantastic. It's not perfect, it's never going to be, but I'm really happy with what we've been able to do in just 24 hours. So what's next for Project 40? Well, there's still a few interior trim pieces and the Abarth steering wheel that needs to come across, but after that I think the interior and body work are done. Maybe, just maybe, we start looking at performance options. And with that, we're done with another episode. If you watched this far, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about Project 40 in the comments below. And with that, I'll catch you down the road.